A gear-type hydraulic pump, also known as a gear pump, is a common type of positive displacement pump used in hydraulic systems. It operates by using meshing gears to generate fluid flow and transfer hydraulic power. Here's an overview of how a gear pump works and its key characteristics. Working principle. 1. A gear pump consists of two gears, typically called the drive gear and the driven gear. 1. These gears rotate in opposite directions while maintaining a close clearance between their teeth. 2. The gears are housed within a casing or pump body, with the teeth meshing together as they rotate. 3. As the gears rotate, fluid is trapped in the space between the teeth and the pump casing. 4. The fluid is carried from the suction side of the pump, inlet, to the discharge side, outlet, as the gears mesh and rotate, creating a pumping action. Key characteristics. 1. Gear pumps are known for their simplicity, compactness, and relatively low cost. 2. They provide a continuous and smooth flow of hydraulic fluid, making them suitable for applications where a steady flow is required. 3. Gear pumps can handle a wide range of fluid viscosities, making them versatile for various hydraulic systems. 4. The volumetric efficiency of gear pumps is generally high, meaning they can deliver a high flow rate per revolution. 5. However, gear pumps are typically limited in their ability to generate high pressures compared to other pump types, such as piston pumps. Variations. 1. External gear pump. In an external gear pump, the gears are located outside the pump casing and mesh externally. 1. This design allows for easy maintenance and inspection. 2. Internal gear pump. In an internal gear pump, the gears are located inside the pump casing, with one gear being larger than the other. 2. This design offers better efficiency and can handle higher pressures than external gear pumps. Applications. 1. Gear pumps are commonly used in various hydraulic systems, including industrial machinery, automotive applications, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery. 2. They are suitable for applications that require moderate pressure and flow rates, such as lubrication systems, power steering systems, and hydraulic lifts. It's important to note that while gear pumps are widely used and have many advantages, they may not be suitable for all hydraulic system requirements. Factors such as pressure demands, temperature range, and system efficiency should be considered when selecting the appropriate pump type for a specific application.